electronics techie. So in this video we discuss about 4-bit comparator. So 4-bit comparator means here I take the input as 4-bit. If you take 8 bits, then it says 8-bit comparator. The main theme of this is you have to compare the two values. So if you consider AB values, either A value is greater than B, or A value is less than B, or A value equal to or not. So whether you are going to check these conditions, so you have to compare. These are the comparing conditions, so that's why I say it as a comparator. So here also start with module followed by module name here, and then what are the inputs? So A and B are inputs. There is a 4 bit, so that's why I represent 3 down to 0, and then output. What is our output? Greater or lesser or equal. So you have to check whether it is a greater number or lesser number or equal. So you have to make it as reg data type, because you are going to use these variables inside the always block. Here what are the variables we are using in the always block and initial block. So you are making those all are as reg data type, so that's why you make it as reg data type. So always at the rate star. So star is nothing but our sensitivity list. So it represents the whole input. So what are the inputs you consider? So if any change in only one of the input also, this block is going to be executed. There is a multiple statements, that's why we use begin keyword here. So if A is greater than B, means if this condition is true, A is greater than B. If this condition is true, then the greater variable. So it means we will say that it is a greater value. So greater value is going to be 1, so remaining going to be 0. So and this if condition is going to be closed, then else if it is false, so then it is come to this block. Then A less than B. So if the value is A less than B, means we have to make the lesser value is equal to 1, remaining 2 will be going to be 0. So followed by AND. So and again condition is equal to A is equal to B. So if A equal to B means, so if A equal to B, then it is going to be equal value is going to be 1, remaining are going to be 0. So what if the greater value is 0, if the output greater value is equal to 1 means, so A greater than B. So if less value equal to 1 means A less than B. So if A equal to 1 means, so A equal to B. So this is our final output. If greater, so greater value is going to be 1, remaining are going to be 0. So like that, if any one value is 1, remaining are going to be 0. So it is our test bench module followed by module name, and inputs are in reg data type, so outputs are in byte data type, followed by instantiate the design code in the test bench code. How you are going to instance means, so you have to write the design code module name followed by instance name, then the port list. So we are connect the ports of the design code to the test bench code. So for that we are writing the port connection here in order, same order. So after that initial block, this block is going to be used the different combinations of input. So input combinations, we are going to give the different combinations of inputs here. So in different combination we are giving some delay by using this /5 like that, means 5 nanoseconds delay for every combination. So slash keyword is used to stop the simulation. If you want to stop the simulation for particular time period, you are going to use the dollar finish to stop the simulation, and followed by end and followed by end module. So after that we have to going to run the output waveform. It seems like this. So if A value is equal to 7, so I give 7, so B value is equal to 3. So it is going to check A greater than B. So it is true. So the greater value is going to be 1. See here, the greater value is going to be 1 here. So the lesser value and the equal value is going to be 0. So these yellow mark values are going to be displayed here. So don't think these values are going to be displayed here. So what are the yellow this scale? So those values are represented here. So here see 5 less greater than 8. So it is false. So it is going to the next condition, 5 less than 8. So yes, it is correct. So lesser value is going to be 1, remaining are going to be 0. So if it is equal to, so 3, first it checks the condition of 3 greater than 3, so it is false. Next 3 less than 3, so it is also false. Then it is going to check 3 equal to 3, so it is correct. Then the equal value is going to 1, remaining all values are going to be 0. Like that you can cross check whether your input is correct or not. So it is about the design code of the comparator. So if you want to take more number of bits, you can simply increase these inputs bits, so then it may be converted into more number of bit comparator. So until then, if you have any doubts, you can comment it, and thanks for watching, and then